Hey, hi guys. DM me if you know how was I during my childhood. If you know, otherwise you will be blocked for 2 hours and 07 seconds. I am serious, guys. I am uploading status. Bye. Okay, so today we are going to
Feel sorry when it's over. I will be.
Unboxing my storeroom. Pranipat guys, my name is Roshni and today I'm going to this memory box. It's my storeroom and yeah, I will recall some of my past moments. So
And most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die. And it is too late to climb any mountain.
video. So you will not judge me for not managing my things.
Time is of the
I'm also as like you guys.
walk home. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the great.
मैं आज रेडी हुई हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगना था इस वीडियो में क्योंकि ये कमरे को मैंने बहुत खूबसूरत बना दिया है बहुत अच्छे से सब मैनेज करके सो इसके सामने मुझे खूबसूरत लगना था सो so confused because there's so many things here. So okay, wait.
Sometimes I feel
Okay, so I'm starting from my junior KG kind
when
of.
things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind.
No, Gujarati language. This is my school name, my junior KG progress report.
Just keep your
Yeah. Oh.
mountain.
I was regular student, see this, and I'm proud of that. Well, here the teacher mentioned that I was not so eloquent during my childhood day. Okay, I was not so eloquent in public, and I was not liking to make some new friends. I was less intellectual. So this was my communication. This was my first standard. Actually, during my childhood, I was thinking like the B is more than the A grade. So I used to tell my teacher that please give me a B grade instead of A because I was thinking in my mind that B is higher than A. I actually was thinking like that. I used to convert A grade into B actually. This is my Robert, the most important person in my life. Because whenever I used to write something bad, जो मैं गलती करती थी मैं इसे मिटाती थी इसलिए दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इन माई लाइफ. सो एक टाइम पे मुझे मैं स्कूल में थी और मेरी सारी फ्रेंड्स बाइसिकल्स लेके आती थी, मेरे पास नहीं थी.
just long for a place that they never find.
मैं मेरे पापा को एक्चुअली मैं लेटर लिखा था कि मुझे बाइसिकल चाहिए। एक्चुअली मैंने लेटर लिखा था, तो ये लेटर एक्चुअली मैंने संभाल के रखा है कि मैंने क्या लिखा था मेरे फादर को। डियर फादर, आई होप दिस लेटर फाइंड्स यू। एक्चुअली मैं मेरे घर पे ही रहती थी, फिर भी मेरे पापा को मैंने लेटर लिखा था क्योंकि मेरे में इतनी करेज नहीं थी कि मैं सामने जाके उनसे बाइसिकल मांगूं। तो मैं सोचे कि ये तभी उस टाइम का है ये। डियर फादर, आई होप दिस लेटर फाइंड्स यू all at home in good health. I am writing this letter hoping that you will consider my request. I need a bicycle very badly. The bus service to here are very irregular. I have to wait for a lot of my time and I reach school late. Besides, I have to reach on time for my mathematics class in the evening. I would like to buy BSA Champ. पता है ये बाइसिकल का नाम है शायद, I don't know. Its approximated cost is, cost भी लिखा है मैंने, oh my god. I hope you will send me. Oh my god, I was insane. Anyway, my favorite Katrina Kaif is the person. This is a Cinderella. I used to call her Cinderella because I love to hear a Cinderella story. So I don't want to be Cinderella now, but during my childhood, yes, I was dreaming that one day I will wear like Cinderella dress and maybe princess. I don't see your baby or clothes. This is her clothes, जो कि मैं इसे पहनाती थी। ये इसका कुशन।
It's best to not feel.
This is her sandals. This is her sandals. This is her bag. That's it. This is her guitar, purse, her phone. Thank you for making my childhood amazing and memorable and exquisite. Write a poem in about 2 to 4 words or sentence on topic of rain. In English, मैंने लिखा है आवरे वरसाद, देवरियो प्रसाद, उनी उनी रोट लीने कारेला नुसा। एक्चुअली इंग्लिश में लिखना था पर मैंने गुजराती में लिखा। वाह, वेल डन गर्ल, नीड टू थिंक आउट ऑफ बॉक्स समटाइम्स। दैट आई वाज डूइंग एक्जेक्टली।
Too late to climb any mountain.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद था मेरे को ये कलेक्शन करना ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स का, क्योंकि जो ज्योमेट्री होती है मुझे बहुत पसंद थी बचपन में। तो मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आती थी, मुझे इतनी खुशी मिलती थी जब मैं ऐसे बॉक्स ओपन करती थी, यहाँ पे शार्पनर, यहाँ पे इरेजर्स एंड सब देखती थी प्रॉपर्टीज। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था वाह, आई हैव अ like the world best ताजमहल in my hand। इसलिए मैंने ये सब संभाल के रखा और मेरे पास हर टाइप के ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स है। सो दिस इज क्लासमेट, दिस इज ओमेगा वन, दिस इज अ फन, दिस इज हेलिक्स, दिस इज अ फैमिली, my favorite because it is the orange and red.
My love's run out.
So yes, this purse actually had given by one of my friend, और मुझे लगा कि इसे संभाल रखना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने संभाल के रखा है ये गिफ्ट को. एंड इफ one of my friend who had gifted me this watching, then I want to tell you that thank you so much for this gift. And actually में मुझे याद नहीं है कि उन्होंने मुझे ये गिफ्ट क्यों दिया था, किस लिए दिया था, but yeah, thank you so much. मैंने अभी भी संभाल के रखा है.
And it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core.
तो ये मेरे बचपन का ड्राइंग है जो मैंने बनाया था 5th या 6th में ही होगी शायद. मैंने ये बनाया है. यहाँ पे लिखा है लव माई सीन. यहाँ पे साइन है मेरे टीचर की. What love myself. Whenever I feel melancholy vibes, I always used to see these things, and that little one always inspire me to be what I am actually. Looking that emotions, that kindness, I really love. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Yeah.
That my luck's run out.
Subscribe
Lose my mind.
if you are a new one.
This life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over.